In this video I will show you how to make a felt autumn decoration with leaves and colorful garlands. Prepare place to work by placing a folded towel under bubble wrap. Take wool and the color of your choice and pull out strands, gently pulling the top. Arrange the resulting strands in overlapping layers, one on top of the other in successive layers along and across. You will need 5-6 layers. On the last layer, I add other colors than the base green, for example, darker green, yellow, gold. In hot water, not too hot for us, dip the sponge. Soap and soak the layers of wool evenly. The soapy water should reach everywhere. Start the felting process. Very lightly, without pressure, massage the layers of wool. This is still the stage during which the layers can move easily and the wool is as fine as a mist. After a few minutes, you can increase the pressure of massaging. Remove excess water with a cloth and continue the process. Then take bubble wrap and, with the flat side up, put it on the wool. Wet the surface with soapy water to make massaging easier. With pressure, massage the project thoroughly. After 3 to 4 minutes, turn the wool over and repeat the process. To make sure that the whole project felts evenly, take the material and massage with 2 hands. It is especially important to felting the edges. Take your project and rinse it in cold water. Then pour hot soapy water over it again and continue the process with bubble wrap. From time to time, alternate rinsing the project in cold and hot water. Once the design is felted enough that the fibers are attached to each other, which means you can't stretch it lengthwise, you can start throwing. Massage the entire project again, making sure that the edges and center are evenly felted. Finally, rinse the felt thoroughly in water. Squeeze out excess water and dry flat. Another decorative elements are different colored balls. To make such a ball, take a piece of top, loosen and stretch its fibers. This way, the ball will consist of many thin layers and will be even and strong. Wrap one end, trying to form a ball. Wrap the edges to the center. Holding the rolled wool tightly, take a felting needle. Be careful not to poke yourself. Puncture the ball in a few places, turning it. This way, our ball will be even and can unroll. I add extra strands of other colors. Soak the ball in warm water and use your other hand to add the soap. Start turning the ball in your hands very lightly, without pressure. After a while, you should feel the difference. The ball from very fluffy gets stiffer. Then you can gradually increase the pressure and speed up, still turning the ball between your hands. The whole process takes from 2 to 5 minutes. Finally, rinse the ball in warm, clean water and let it dry. I made balls of different sizes in red, dark orange, gold, bright green, lime and dark green, 4 or 7 of each. When your felt dries, after a day or two, cut out leaf shapes. I chose oak leaves and small leaves with simple shape. I used brown wool to form the branches. You can add details to the leaves. Form and connect the leaves to the branch using a felting needle. To make garlands, thread the balls onto the thread, tying knots to make gaps between them. You can also add leaves and join the ends of the thread to create a garland. Now it's time to create an arrangement to decorate your home. Thanks for watching.